Are you curious to know where a 1 kilo toad with terrifying poison lives? Which snake are even many professional tamers and trainers afraid to touch? And why should you stay away from cute raccoons? Today, you will get the answers to all these questions and more. In this episode, I will show you the most dangerous and insidious animals you should never touch. So, let's get started. Puss Caterpillar. The Puss Caterpillar, also known as the puss moth and woolly slug, is an adorable-looking creature with long hair-like bristles. However, touching or petting it is strictly not recommended because of the danger posed by its venomous spines. Even a slight contact with the caterpillar's spines can cause throbbing pain that may spread to the armpit, as well as red spots at the site of contact. Headache, nausea, abdominal discomfort, and lymph node involvement are among the other symptoms. In some cases, contact with the puss caterpillar can even cause respiratory failure. The puss caterpillar is a perfect example of nature's deception. Cane toad. And here's another amphibian you better stay away from, the cane toad. The cane toad is a neighbor of poison dart frogs. These amphibians are also found in Central and South America. Moreover, they can be found in Australia and some parts of Southeast Asia. The cane toad is far from tiny. In contrast to poison dart frogs, it's the second largest toad in the world, with a length of up to 24 centimeters and a weight of up to 1 kilogram. But more interesting is the poison of this amphibian. The cane toad is poisonous in all life stages. When an adult toad is disturbed, its glands secrete a milky white secretion that contains powerful toxins. The cane toad poison is potent. It affects the heart and nervous system, causing profuse salivation, convulsions, nausea, arrhythmia, and increased blood pressure. In some cases, the poison can paralyze the victim or even kill them. It's enough to contact with the glands for the poisoning. The Aborigines of South America have known about the toad's terrible features. Many tribes use the amphibian's powerful poison to whet arrowheads. Poison dart frog. Many people are fascinated by creatures that are different from others. Poison dart frogs from Central and South America are one such creature that has caught the attention of many. These tiny frogs never exceed a length of 6 centimeters and have extremely bright coloration, ranging from soft yellow to bluish black and blood red with speckles. Their unique appearance makes them seem like they are from another planet, and it's no surprise that people would like to pick them up. However, this is a dangerous idea that should be avoided at all costs. As their name suggests, poison dart frogs are highly poisonous creatures. In fact, they are one of the most toxic creatures on the entire planet. Unlike venomous snakes that bite, these frogs release their poison through their skin. This means that even touching or holding them can be extremely dangerous. The bright coloration that makes them so unique is actually a warning sign indicating that they are dangerous. Just 1 gram of some species of poison dart frogs can kill 2 huge elephants. Therefore, it is important to avoid touching them altogether. Even if the poison gets on someone's mucus, it can lead to lethal consequences. So it is best to admire these fascinating creatures from a distance and leave them alone to ensure a safe and healthy environment for both humans and frogs alike. Raccoon. The internet is full of videos with hilarious antics of raccoons. Usually, in these videos, they get into all sorts of troubles, fail contact with animals, or rinse something in a container of water. Raccoons are really cute and touching creatures, so you probably like to touch them, but you should not do this for several reasons. First, you shouldn't forget that the raccoon is a predatory creature, and any wild predator is potentially dangerous because of its unpredictable instincts. Second, the raccoon's not as friendly as it seems. It can easily show mad aggression if it thinks someone is a danger or threat to it. This is especially evident when fighting competitors for food. A raccoon can pounce on humans as well as cats and dogs. Third, raccoons are carriers of various diseases, including the extremely dangerous rabies. If a person tries to pet it, the cute raccoon may get angry, bite a person, passing them the terrible disease, as well as leave them a couple of severe cuts because raccoon claws are really sharp. In general, It's better to admire these beauties from a distance and never touch them. Many dangerous animals to stay away from can be found not only on land or in freshwater, but also in the salty seas. There you can find the most beautiful starfish with very dangerous thorns, or a tiny jellyfish capable of monstrous things. Stay tuned to know all the details and to see a couple of other dangerous animals that you should never touch. Let's move on. Irukandji Jellyfish. The Irukandji jellyfish stands out as one of the smallest sea creatures out there. While many believe that jellyfish are not that small, this jellyfish is an exception to the rule. Its dome is only a few centimeters wide, but its tentacles are much longer. Despite its size, it is very dangerous if touched. This is because the Irukandji jellyfish is venomous and poses a significant threat to humans. Its bite can cause a condition known as Irukandji syndrome, which is characterized by a range of unpleasant symptoms, including nausea, body pain, tachycardia, and pulmonary edema. One of the most dangerous things about the Irukandji jellyfish is that its venom is slow-acting, which means it can take several days for symptoms to appear. If left untreated, the victim may even die. Therefore, it is essential to stay away from this jellyfish and take proper precautions while swimming in the ocean. Crown of thorns starfish. Starfish are very beautiful and amazing creatures. The crown of thorns starfish stands out among them because this starfish has a very bright coloration and unusual appearance. Particularly large individuals have a diameter of up to 50 centimeters, and the starfish itself has up to 23 arms. Usually, the starfish is colored by combinations of bright orange and purple, which looks very graceful. You can look at this starfish for as long as you want, but you definitely shouldn't touch it. An impressed diver may not be confused even by the spikes which are covered with the body of the starfish. However, it's in them that lies the danger. The spines are similar to needles and are equipped with venomous glands. The needle prick of this starfish is very painful and can cause serious poisoning, accompanied by rash, nausea, and inflammation. In some cases, the prick can lead to paralysis and death. So you should stay away from the crown of thorns starfish. King Cobra. Of course, it's unlikely that anyone would want to touch a king cobra, but still, someone might want to do it when the king cobra is quiet. Touching a resting king cobra for the sake of an experiment is certainly possible, but you definitely shouldn't do it. Neither should we forget that it's the largest venomous snake on the planet. On average, the length of a cobra is 3 to 4 meters, but sometimes it can exceed 5 meters. These snakes live in Southeast Asia, where, along with them, live many non-venomous pythons. Given that pythons are also very large, an uninformed person can confuse the python with a king cobra and accidentally touch the venomous monster. In this case, they risk provoking the king cobra and getting a dose of powerful venom. Contrary to popular belief, the king cobra is not the most venomous snake on the planet. However, its venom is still very powerful. A single bite of the snake can kill a 5-ton elephant in 3 hours and a human in 30 minutes. No wonder that even many professional tamers and trainers sometimes don't risk contact with the king cobra directly, preferring to work with the snake using a pole or a long stick. Brazilian wandering spider. It's hard to imagine anyone wanting to touch a large spider, but there are some people who study them. However, if you're one of those people, you need to remember not to touch the Brazilian wandering spider. These spiders are extremely venomous, with legs that can be 15 to 20 centimeters long. In fact, the Brazilian wandering spider is listed in the Guinness Book of World Records as the most venomous spider on the planet. This spider lives in South and Central America, as well as the US, where it can be accidentally transported in luggage or cargo. If threatened, the spider will bite and inject a powerful venom that can cause pain, allergies, visual impairment, paralysis, asphyxia, and even death. While scientists have developed an effective antidote, it's still extremely dangerous to handle this spider. What other dangerous animals do you think should never be touched? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you later.